Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter Media, the mainstay of democracy in civics. In this chapter, first we will discuss meaning of media, types of media, interdependence of technology and media, and role of money in media. Let's proceed ahead. First we will know what is the meaning of this chapter, Media, the mainstay of democracy. The media plays a significant role in democracy. Media provides us the complete and latest information about the important events taking place around us. It is through media that we are able to know about the working of the government for the welfare of its citizens. Media and democracy are complementary to each other. Media keeps a close eye on democracy. Media keeps democratic system on its toes and watches it from top to toe. Now we will know what is the meaning of media or what is media. Media is a plural form of the word medium that means a way of communicating information etc. to people. In this way, we can say media refers to the various ways through which we communicate in society. For example, television, telephone, radio, newspapers, etc. Thus, the word media is often used to collectively refers to radio, TV, newspaper, magazines, internet and several other means of communications. Since radio, TV, internet and newspapers are form of media that reach to millions of people or the masses across the country and the world, so they are called mass media. Now we will know how many types of media. On the basis of technology used by the media, they can be divided into print media and electronic media. In print media, they include newspapers, magazines, books, periodicals, journals, etc. Since these are printed documents, they are collectively called the print media. And what is electronic media? TV, radio, internet, etc. are called the electronic media. They are so called because we need electricity to access them. Now we will discuss the journey of print media. The print media has changed tremendously. In earlier times, raised and carved designs of seals were pressed on wet clay or wax for printing marks to close agreements, record transactions and authorized documents. Chinese influenced the development in the field of printing to a large extent. They invented paper, the hand copies and illustrated books by Buddhist monks gave it a further thrust. The German printer Johannes Gutenberg is credited with the invention of the first printing machine with a type mold. Gutenberg brought out the first printed Bible in the mid-15th century. Today, computers control the printing process, where materials to be printed are fed into the memory of printing machines to print newspapers, magazines, and books. Whereas in electronic media, television is very important for a number of reasons. The amount of time that many people spend watching it, its ability to bring together a sense of national identity, and its powerful role as a source of information about various aspects of life. In present time, it is the prime source for the public to know about the current affairs, sports and games, progress of the war, political situation in a country, etc. Thus, it has a great impact on the public perception and opinion. Cable and satellite network has improved the connectivity in rural, mountainous and urban areas. Thus, communication technology has successfully ended narrowcasting and gone across international boundaries to create a global culture. On the other hand, technology has improved the efficiency of media, and on the other, media updates us on the advantage in technology. Whether it is a new form of internet connection or diet pills. For example, media uses digital technology to provide improved quality of sound and picture, as well as influences our thinking. Moreover, media helps us to think on global level beyond the narrow boundaries of our country. But the media will have to take steps to control the misuse of the means of mass communication to protect the public interest. Now, we will discuss role of money in media. Look at the picture of a newsroom or studio of a television channel. Notice the expensive equipment, cameras, computers, light transmitters, recorders, etc. Beside the newsreader, many people like director, editor, producer, cameraman, lightman and many others are involved in the progress of telecasting the news to you. The studios require constant upgradation of technology to provide quality service. All this need a lot of investment. Hence, television channels and newspapers are owned or are supported by big business houses. Media is a powerful tool in the hands of the rich. They are in media to make money and propagate their class interest. The biggest source of income is to advertise a wide range of products from skin creams to car. The viewers is exposed to a number of advertisements, each highlighting the wonders of its product. A feature film of 2 hours duration is stretched to 4 hours, as one advertisement is followed by another. During frequent breaks, the condition during a cricket match is similar, where advertisements are squeezed in after every hour. Today, along with Indian business hostage, many multinational companies also own a big share of Indian media. The programs cut across national and cultural boundaries and exposes the viewers to a wide spectrum. Students, media and democracy we will discuss in next class. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.